Oliver here. He is Oliver.
And we're after Winton School, called Jacob Aho. He is Jacob. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapare, the 6th of April.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Wharepaku, which is te reo for toilet.
As in, can I please use the Wharepaku? Try using this word this week.
Rapare. On to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is low, from 11 until 2. Put your potae, but your potae are still required from 11. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ Vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise. Zirka Circus will be setting up their big tent on the field opposite school soon. While they're there, no one is to go across over and play on the field, thank you. Remember, it's $1 juicies on the sale next to the sausage stand tomorrow. Maxwell, your Rapare is in the bin.
The Inter-House Quiz Challenge results will be shared on Friday's assembly. Which house is going to be taking this one out? Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite poho. See you tomorrow.
Hiya, and stay sharp at school.
Jacob.